Hello po, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-multiply ng monomials. Okay? So, meron tayong 5 examples. So, number 1, ang exponent ng isa is 4, ang exponent ng isa ay 2. So, ang gagawin niyo lang, pag-add nyo lang yung exponent ng dalawang. Okay? So, copy natin yung x and then 4 plus 2. Then, x. So, exponent 6. So, x raised to 6. Next, number 2. Okay? Ang isang value ng a is 5, ang isa is 2. So, multiply muna natin yung 4 at saka 3. So, 4 times 3 times a raised to 5 plus 2. Next, 4 times 3, the answer is 12. Then, copy natin yung a, then add natin. So, the answer is 7. 12a raised to 7. Next, number 3. So, ang m natin is 3, ang n natin na isa is 2. Sa kabila, m is 2, ang n natin ay 4. Okay, 3. Copy natin yung 3 and 6. 3 times 6 times m cube. So, m raised to 3. So, 3 plus 2 times n. Copy natin yung n. Then, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Okay? Then, multiply natin. 3 times 6, the answer is 18. Tama? 18. Then, m raised to, so 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. N raised to 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. Okay, so the answer is 18m raised to 5, n raised to 6. Next number. Number 4. So, 5, may OPQ tayo. OPQ. Okay? So, ang 5, copy natin at saka 2. So, 5 times 2 times O raised to 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 times P 2 plus 5 times Q 3 plus 5. Okay? So, multiply natin. So, 5 times 2, the answer is 10. So, O, 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. P raised to 7. Q raised to 8. So, 10, O raised to 6. P raised to 7. Q raised to 8. Next, number 5. So, number 5, alam niyo na ang gagawin niyo sa number 5. I-comment nyo lang po sa baba yung sagot ninyo. Okay po? Thank you and good luck.